The PALS program, working with realtors, has absolutely been a wonderful situation that we created. PALS stands for Preferred Associate List. Our PALS are our realtors. We're one of the only rent-to-own companies that said the people with the best relationships are the real estate professionals. We want to work with them because we're a reputable, honest company with integrity. We've got a great system. We work hard. We want to work with our realtors and let them know that they can earn their full commissions in working with us. So it's a quality situation. Why we want the real estate professional to join our PALS list is so we can one-on-one explain the situation so there's no surprise. Everybody does it a different way. Everybody does rent to own, lease with option to purchase a different way. Here at rentpurchase.com, we do it one way. And so we want to get to you first and explain how we do it so there are no surprises when you bring it to your customer. Because you may have done it a different way in the past, but we have a proven successful way that we get your customer the highest fair market value in the neighborhood. And that's one of our mission statements, that we get your customer their best value because our buyers are getting a favor. And because they're getting a favor, they will pay the fair market value for that home and they don't negotiate. So that's what we want to do. We want to get our realtors, our strategic partners, to get out to their customers and tell them about the opportunity if it's right for them. For a lot of our customers, for a lot of the market, it's not the right choice to go rent a home because they need their money out at closing and it's just not there. Our buyers come mortgage pre-qualified for your customers' homes. And what happens is our customers make a series of payments to a deferred closing. In a nutshell, that's really the situation that we're looking at here. And so we want to make sure that as a real estate professional, you understand our system. You can rely on us. You can call us because you know what's going on and you know how it works when you present it. We also would like you to present the program, tickle the idea to your customer if it's a good idea. Come on down to one of our offices and let one of our investors or managers talk to you and your customer about what we do and about the program that we have that could benefit them and help move their property. Our buyers put skin in the game. They have a lot to lose if they don't close. Again, they're mortgage pre-qualified. It's part of our protocol process, and the mortgage lender is under our roof, part of our suite of services. And we also work hard in the middle. That's the part between home settlement and when the customer selected the home. We are the credit coach and we work the buyer all the way through so they're not forgotten. So we keep the desire up high and remind them that you're not a homeowner yet, but you're gonna be. And to do this and get to the end, we get you your full listing commission. But when they sign up for the lease and the option, we also pay you a portion of it up front and say thank you and we appreciate the wait. So it's a great opportunity for realtors to look at their listings, and for the ones that aren't moving and they probably know their customer, and if they think that they're at the point where their customer is either saying, I can't take this anymore, get me a renter, we're the perfect solution. Or it's vacant and I'm tired, I want the expenses covered, we're the solution. Or I don't really want to discount my house that much, we're the solution. We've got that situation, we deal with it every day, and we work with real estate professionals every day, and we look forward to working with you. Please join our PALS list and be our pal, or give us a call and talk about the situation. We look forward to working with and for you. Thank you.